Hi everyone, again this is Kirti from Shine Kids Care Academy. Today we are going to learn third group fifth letter, that is F. As we have clear objective, at the end of this video we will be very familiar with letter name, letter sound, letter action, words, rhymes and then story. Letter name is F. Once again, F. It has a sound, right? That is, can you repeat once again? Yes, it has an action, right? Let us bring our hands together gently as if inflatable fish is deflating and says this what the action for letter F. Once again. Once again. Yes, and now we are going to learn few words which has a starting sound of f. Shall we? Fish, fan, floor, farmer. Yes, and now we are going to learn a rhyme for letter F. Shall we? My friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hole, the air came out. Yes, once again. My friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hole, the air came out. Yes, this was the rhyme for letter F. And now we are going to learn a story for letter F. Shall we?
Letter F. Two friends and the frogs. Frank and Frida are best friends. They are 5 years old. They love playing football on the field. One day, they hear a cry from the farm. They go there and find 4 baby frogs crying. A fox is making a funny sound. Shh! Do not make noise here. Let the baby frog sleep, says Frank to the fox. The fox listens to him and goes away to the forest. The baby frogs can sleep now.
Yes, I hope you people have enjoyed this story, and now we are going to learn one more tongue twister. That is 3 tiny tigers tap toes. So this we are going to try 5 times continuously without mistake. Shall we? 3 tiny tiger tap toes. 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 Yes, this we can try along with our kids at their fun time so that they will learn few words and we can find some changes in their pronunciation. Yes, now we are going to learn one more brain gym which will improve their concentration level. Shall we? We have to place our fingers like this. Okay. And now we are going to twist all our fingers one by one. First gently, then we can try faster. Shall we? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shall we try now? Yes. So this time we are going to try faster. Shall we? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. So by doing this, their concentration level will get improved. Yes, I hope you people have enjoyed this video. If any changes to be done, let me know. Thanks for your support.